Question number 1. Tell me about yourself. So, hello sir, my name is Mihir. I am a student of computer engineering at Sheridan College, in which my majors are Java, C, C++, programming languages, database management, computer architecture and electronic circuit drafting and CAD. I have also I'm also customer fulfillment associate at Walmart, where I've learned customer service, maintaining administrative data, teamwork, punctual work cycle, and problem solving. I am eager to have this position because I want to get corporate experience in my field besides my education, where I can apply my technical skills. Question number 2. What qualification do you have that make you feel you will be successful in this position? I have ability to analyze, design, implement and maintain secure computing environment. Also, I have experience of customer service and maintaining administrative data. I have learned Java, C, C++, Python languages with the projects. I can able to create database using SQL and electronic circuit using multisim. I do not have professional experience in this field, but I have done many projects. Likewise, I have created an e-commerce Android application using Android Studio and Firebase platform. Question number 3. Why did you choose this profession? I am passionate about technology. That is why I am personally interested in IT field. I do not have professional experience, as I have said before, but I have done many projects. Likewise, I have created e-commerce application using Android Studio. Also, I am working on a web-based project, and in which I am creating a converter of binary to decimal and hexadecimal. Question number 3. Describe a situation that required you to do a number of things at a same time. I had a situation when I need to work with multiple tasks. It was about an Android application that I made. Problem is to create UI and programming for that app at the same time. I have found for the solution I have found a GitHub library for the UI animation like loading bar, which I have implemented using GitHub dependency. So it helped me to save my time, which I can give for coding. If I try to make it by my own, it is going to be time consuming. Question number 5. Describe a team experience that did not work well. So I had a situation. It was about my college project, in which we had to make a calculator program. We were in a group of 2, but the problem was to make icons, because both of us did not aware about graphical user interface. So it was very hard to handle that situation, but after some research on the Google, I had found a solution, which is Bootstrap framework, and so finally I have implemented that framework in that program, and we were successful in making of that program. Thank you.